Now remember, WACC is just the weighted average cost of capital. We already have the costs of the capital, which we found to be RP is 10.2, was it 10.2? RS or RE is going to be, or RC if you want to call it RC, is 15.72, and of course debt wants a return, lenders want a return of 7%. Okay, which is already included in this part over here. So the only thing we need to do now is we really need to complete this formula by multiplying by the weights. So let's write that out and let's get this going. Okay, so we can clearly see that the WACC is equal to it is going to be the weight assigned to debt multiplied by RD plus multiplied by RD plus, what am I missing? Sorry, the weight assigned to preference stock multiplied by the rate at which we want to compensate the investors, and multiplied by WSRS. Okay, so we calculated each of these. So now we're just weighting those costs. Okay. So the weight where is this pen? And that's just going to be equivalent simply to the weight associated with debt, which was 0.15 multiplied by the rate at which lenders expect a return, which is 7%, 0.07. Okay, preference stock is 0.10 because it's 10%. So 10, right? And that rate over there was 10.20, which is 0.1020, plus the weight associated with common stock is 0.75, and we're going to multiply that with the return expected over there was I think 15.72, which is going to be 0.1572. 0.1572. Okay, I'm not going to work out each one individually, but when you sum this up, you should get a result of the following. Let's multiply that by 0.75, and then let's add these values: 0.10, 0.1020, right, plus 0.15, 0.07. Okay. Okay, 0.15 times 0.07, and that should give us 13.1386, and that's equivalent to 13.86%. So you can see that different lenders and investors want different returns, right? And we have to compensate them. And then when we weight that together, the overall return, the weighted average cost of capital to raise this capital now looks like 13.86%. That was question 5.2.